2004, 2010 Honda Odyssey amplifier
Honda right
install.
here, the van. So we're gonna, this is only a small little 10 gauge wire, so we're gonna run it through here. Now if you don't have that, this might be an option. I had to look at it, but this is the only option I got, is the push it thing right there. So we're gonna strip this right here, then we're gonna put it on like a flat head. We made it something like this. We're gonna put it like that and then tape it, and then we'll push it through. So have someone help you out right there, because I did spray some WD-40 right here a little bit, so it's kind of loose. But like I said, when I push it in, that wire just kind of loose right there. Well, yep, it went in okay. So now it's gonna pull this thing, this wire. This is, like I said, he bought it from Advanced Auto Part or AutoZone, one of them. Keep going. The heat is on, so it's pretty loud. Keep going. Good, good, good. So make sure it's not pull some more. If you pull some more, you got no space. I got to find out where's a positive now. Okay, this is a negative, this is a positive right there. So we are good right there. So now we're gonna run here. This is 2009 or 2010, I believe. I think it is yes, it's 2010. So I'm gonna run the I unplugged this green plug right there. It's right next to the, it's in the middle right here. If you're looking at it, it's on top of the fuse. So I'm gonna use one of this fuse to run the remote turn on. So I'm gonna, this is light green. Okay, green and black is positive, and then light green is negative. I'm gonna hook it up to the line out converter. I'm only using one side for this. So basically I use Kicker made Kiss Lock 2. So I got the solid color, I got it to the positive. See, white and gray positive, and then white black, gray black is negative, which go to the light green right there, and then the solid go to green black, which is positive. I'm gonna plug it back in, and then I plug the RCA jack back in here. So I did run RCA jack and remote and the power to the back. So I'm gonna run to a number 32 accessory right there. Now you don't want to hook up the wire to the top. So let's say that's 32, right? So you want to put it on the bottom of the fuse right there. You can do a couple of different ways. You can do a professional, basically a non-professional. You will wrap the wire out here. So if the fuse blow, it will come down here. So basically I'm gonna show you. You wrap the wire like this and you put it back, and this is gonna be on the bottom, this is gonna be on the top right there. The one that you wrap the wire should be on the bottom. Make sure this don't touch each other, so if something go wrong, it'll pop the fuse instead of burn the fuse box. Oh, what I made a ground right there. I put two of them just in case it's not moving anywhere. I checked it, I checked the gas tank and the bottom, just making sure I don't hit the gas tank. So, and I used a screw like less than 1/2 of an inch. I never use anything longer than that. Or you can do it from here. This look like a number 15 millimeter right there. You can take that out and put the ground right there. That will work too. But this is a small amp. This is built in. So I'm gonna put the spade terminal. I call it a fork most of the time, but a spade terminal is the right word for it. So this red wire will go to the 12 volt. Using a drill, people are like, why are you using a drill? I'm used to this already, so it's better if you don't use the drill, use the regular hand one. And the ground will go in the middle, the outside corner. It depends on the, it will say negative. This is probably the smallest wire that I installed for a customer, because they bought it like this and they want it done. So I'm just doing what they asked for. I don't like the way it's like that, but I make sure it's not loose, anything like that. The middle one is the remote. Like I said, people have a different way of installing it. I'm just installing my way. I'm trying to use enough wire for this, because usually I mounted the amp somewhere, but this is the only way you do it. It's cold. It's first day of snow today. It's just another day. This is where people don't want to install anything outside. Just making sure it's not loose. I'm gonna plug the got the RCA jack to the input. I'm gonna hook up the bass knob control right there. It's a little dingy thing, but hey, whatever work. I'm gonna fix the wire right there for him, zip tie it, make sure it looks decent, and that'd be it. Now he's putting the power terminal, a ring terminal for the power. It's got its own fuse. I haven't checked it yet. We're gonna kind of move this up a little bit so that way this doesn't, well, it does come with the we're gonna put a wire loom right there because the engine is hot. I mean, it's not recommended, but it's better because it's really hot over here, so the wire is not gonna just burn, but you never know. So, and then we're gonna zip tie it up on here, one of these, and that's it. And just turn the radio on, make sure it stay on, and then that's good.